right, let's get started. All right, so I'm outside my house right now, getting ready to do some bleach dyed shirts, right? Got this really dope idea for a design I want to do, and it involves some bleach dyed shirts. I didn't want to buy shirts already bleach dyed. I wanted to have more organic look to it. So I brought these shirts, and I'm going to try some different methods. Found this method on YouTube. I'm see if it worked. Hopefully it'll work out, all right? And let's see how it goes. So in this bottle, I have it filled with just 100% bleach. And on this bottle, I have it mixed with bleach and water. So I'm gonna test both methods and see how they both come out. And then we'll go from there and judge which one's gonna work better, all right? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, man, so look, I know a lot of y'all gonna try to copy this, and I want to say safety first, all right? Make sure, don't be like me. Put on gloves, put on some goggles or something, put on a mask. When you're working with bleach, it is very important. Safety first. You know, if you go outside and you spraying the stuff and the wind blow and it blow it in your face, now you got bleach all in your mouth, all in your eyes, all that stuff. Make sure you be safe. This is my very first time doing this. I didn't know what I was doing. So please, make sure you be safe. Use gloves, some kind of latex safety gloves or whatever, some kind of safety goggles to cover your eyes, and some kind of mask to cover your mouth. I know you go copy it because I inspire a lot of y'all. A lot of y'all inspired by me. So I know you go try to do it at home, but just be safe, all right? I don't care. Just be safe, all right? Back to the video. All right, so to start, I'm gonna go ahead and separate these shirts the way I want them. So I got this one here. It's called an Oxford Blood. It's like a maroon-ish color. And this one here is my favorite, military green. So I got two extra larges in this one. And I got two extra larges in this one. So like I said, I'm going to just pretty much spray the ink, spray the bleach on them, on all of them. And then we'll wait about maybe 5-10 minutes, see how they come out, and then judge which one looks better, all right? Actually, I'm gonna do this to separate them. All right. So I'm gonna start with the bleach in the water first. See how that comes out. So let's take my spray bottle, and I'm gonna, gotta open it up first. And I'm gonna just spray it on random spots. Like I said, I want it to look kind of organic. Oh man, it's like taking effect immediately. You probably can already see it changing colors on the, no, you can't see it yet. Oh, this one's coming out really good. So by the looks of it, I actually don't have to wait long. This bleach is really strong. It's taking effect immediately. Man, that's really strong. Low key, I really like this Oxford Blood, how that's coming out. The military green was more, it looked more like a, it's giving more of a, like a watermelon kind of print, which is okay if you want to go for that. Kick it back and see how that's gonna come out. Like, this is actually my very first time doing this. I'm surprised it worked so fast. Like, I'm really surprised at how fast it's working. So what you would do is after you spray them down to get the bleach out, you would just put these on a rinse cycle. I think so far the only thing I don't like about it is the kind of like drip. This isn't a, these bottles aren't like spray. It's more giving like a straight line. And I want something that's gonna spray and like cover the whole shirt. But as you can see, man, it's taking effect real quick. Low key, I think I do like this the more I look at it. Yeah, I think I do like this the more I look at it. But, so this is the, like I said, this is the bleach, the water with the bleach. Maybe just the straight up bleach will come out a little different. I'm surprised it happened so fast. So, with that being said, I'm gonna clean this table off, and then I'm gonna jump to doing the straight up bleach. All right, let's get this cleaned up. All right, so now that we got that cleaned off, we got the table cleaned off. There's no more of the other mixture on here. But to go ahead and lay my shirts out again. So this one is going to be with just the bleach. All right, and we'll see how that come out. And y'all tell me what y'all think. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna start with the military green first. Give it a couple pumps. Just spray it random. Oh, this happened a lot faster because there's no water in it. It happened a lot faster. So I guess the water diluted it down a little bit. Hey man, I don't know. I think I like this Oxford Blood a lot better than this military green. So yeah, without the bleach in it, it died a lot faster. And again, I'm just shooting it in random spots. Just to see how it's gonna come out. Hey yo, hold on, man. That Oxford Blood is fire. I think that Oxford might be the way to go. Oh, okay, you know what? Yeah, I like I like that a lot better. I think these might be the two colors I'll drop on the market, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. So you probably can't see from the video, but I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison and let y'all see. This one's giving more like an orange fade out or orange dye, and then this one is giving more of like a pink to the Oxford Blue, Oxford Blood. I like this a lot better than I did the other one. Like I said, this is the straight up bleach, right? So let me go ahead and wipe this table down, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison so y'all can see, you know, how the shirts actually look, all right? All right, so look, this one is the one with the water mixture. That came out more pinkish, where this one is, this is the water mixture. This is just a straight up bleach. Like I said, I like this one better because it looks more peachy, but I'm just biased. I like peach colors. This one is more of a like strawberry kind of pink color. This is cool too, but I really like this one. So this one is the watered down bleach. I like this one a lot. I don't know, I think I just like this colorway in general a lot. And then this one is the straight up bleach. So I think I like this, but it's too much. I like this one a lot better. So I think for these Oxford Blood shirts, I'll do the mixture of water and bleach. And then for the military green, I'll just do the straight up bleach. But I'm gonna leave it to y'all, man. Y'all let me know, which one do y'all like? Which one do y'all like? Do y'all like the watered down or the straight up? This is the straight up. This is the watered down. Y'all let me know what y'all think, all right? And then once we pick one, if y'all get this video to like 1,000 views, man. And I'll post part 2 with me actually doing the screen printing portion of it, all right? Take it easy.